Hi everyone, welcome to Think of Mind. In this video, I'll show you a quick and easy way to solve your problems step by step. If you enjoy helpful tech tips, tutorials, and Google, Windows, and online guides, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell.
Step 1. Open your slide in Google Slides. Start by launching Google Slides in your web browser and opening the presentation where you want to add the GIF. Make sure you are on the specific slide where the animation should appear. Step 2. Click Insert in the top menu. At the top of the Google Slides interface, you will see several menu options, and Insert is where you add different elements like images, videos, shapes, and animations to your slide. Step 3. Click Image. After clicking Insert, a drop-down menu will appear, and you need to choose the image option. This allows you to add pictures from different sources directly into your slide. Step 4. Click Search the Web. From the image options, select Search the Web so you can find images directly through Google without leaving Google Slides, which makes the process faster and easier. Step 5. Type your keyword in the search box and add GIF at the end. In the search panel that appears on the right side, type the topic you want along with the word GIF, so the results show animated images instead of regular pictures. Step 6. Select the GIF you want to use. Browse through the available GIFs shown in the search results, then click on the one that fits your presentation so it becomes highlighted and ready to be inserted. Step 7. Click Insert to add the GIF to the slide. Once the GIF is selected, press the Insert button and the animated image will appear on your slide where you can move, resize, or position it as needed.